Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to erase all content and settings on your Mac in macOS Sonoma or later. Apple has made it incredibly simple to erase your entire Mac. That means you can now erase your Mac without having to reinstall the operating system. Not only does this effectively erase all your user data and user installed apps from your Mac without reinstalling macOS, it also signs out your Apple ID, removes your Touch ID fingerprints, purchases, and all Apple Wallet items, and turns off Find My and Activation Log, thereby making it far easier to restore your Mac. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings in the drop-down menu. After that, click on General in the sidebar. Then choose Transfer or Reset. After that, click on Erase All Content and Settings. Then enter your admin password in the Erase Assistant dialog prompt and click on OK. If you haven't already backed up your important data, make sure to pay attention to the on-screen time machine advice. Otherwise, click on Continue. Now note all the settings, data, media, and other items that will be wiped out. Then click on Continue to proceed. After that, click to sign out of your Apple ID. And finally, click on Erase All Content and Settings in the prompt to confirm, and that's pretty much it. After following these steps, allow the erase process to complete. Your Mac may restart more than once during the process. And once finished, you will see the hello message on your Mac screen indicating that your Mac has been restored to factory settings and Setup Assistant is ready to start anew. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily erase all content and settings on your Mac in macOS Sonoma or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.